happening. We are going examples, children. How direct proportions as like proportions, ratios and proportions. Product of means is equal to product of extremes. Let me go with the part, children.
I made a direct proportion yesterday. How to solve?
Yeah, we will go with some more questions on direct proportions and inverse too today, ma.
Okay, mom.
Okay, mom.
Right.
Like, can we also play like some quizzes on this chapter?
Yes, last 10 minutes, Nana. Last 10 minutes, please remind me. Last 10 or 5 minutes, please remind me, so that
Yes.
it can make you the concept more strengthened. Yeah, first question. How much money will be paid 34 kgs? Did we discuss the same question yesterday, children? How many oranges can be brought for rupees 420 per dozen?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
gave, I think, this class or other class, I'm not
This
sure
class.
about. Okay, then what is the cost of 600 pins at the rate of 36 per gross? Rupees 36 per gross. What is meaning of gross, children? Gross means how many number? Can you please check and let me know, children? What is the meaning of gross? One gross is nothing but it is a word given as a gross. What is the cost of 600 pins? The cost of
items. It says 144.
yes, cost of very good. Cost of 600 pins. Cost of 600 pins at the rate of rupees 36 per gross. At the rate of rupees 36 per gross. Per gross means how many more? Yes. Very good. One gross is nothing but 144 quantity, children. Come on, children. That means what we can write here. The question is very lively question. See here, 144 pins cost is rupees 36. You want you have to buy 600 pins. How much you're supposed to pay? It's a direct or indirect proportion, children.
I mean, direct.
Direct proportion. So that you just
I'm like one pin is how
Direct,
much?
ma'am.
yes, very good, Dana. So that you just cross
I'm like, I
multiply.
didn't understand, ma'am. One pin is how much?
One gross is the rupees 36 per gross is given. This is the statement, Nana. Rupees 36 per gross. One gross is equal to how many number quantity is 144. So that one gross equal to 144 means 144 pins cost is rupees 36. You need to find out 600 pins cost. Yeah. Yes, children, 12 times, 12 5s are 60, 50 times we can go with, and 12 ones are 12 threes are 36, and 5 threes are 15, 150. So
Ma'am,
that
it's 150 pin cost. I mean,
very
rupees.
good. It's 150. Wonderful. 151 minutes, children. Yes. Any doubt here, children? Only the thing you need to know one gross is how much, what is the quantity, how many number of pins. In this case, we are using pins. So one gross is nothing but 144 number. So 144 pins equal to rupees 36. You need to find 600 pins. So 600 into 36 multiply divide with
Ma'am,
144.
like it's easy, ma'am. 600 into 36 by 144. Then
Yes,
600
yes,
into
because
1
it
by
is
4.
Anna, it is direct proportion. You are doing cross multiplication. If indirect proportion, inverse proportions means we are multiplying these two quantities and divide with this. That is a very simple technique. You remember. Very, very simple technique you remember, children. This is direct proportions. We are doing cross multiplication and dividing with the quantity. And whether in inverse proportions, we are just multiplying with these two quantities and dividing with 600. That is only the difference between direct and indirect proportions. Next one. Yeah. A
Ma'am,
man.
this is indirect.
Ma'am, are you sharing your screen?
Yes, ma.
No,
Children,
ma'am.
I
We
am-
cannot see.
oh,
No,
so
ma'am.
sorry, children. That much.
Ma'am,
Why
we
you?
couldn't see from the entire time.
Oh God. Till now you realized, or else I'm continuously teaching without sharing my screen. 1 minute, children. I'll share my screen.
Ma'am, like give some indirect problem also. Like
Okay,
example.
okay. Yes, yes. Yeah, you see, children, right now you're able to see, children. I think so. You can see, right? You're able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. We are able to.
Yeah. This is the first part. So sorry, children. I thought I'm sharing my screen, but a little later I can realize I didn't. Next question is,
Ma'am, are these sums available in the material we bought?
the same concept is available. The sums may be numbers, maybe numbers like some other numerical parts may be different. Concept is same, Nana. See another
Okay,
question
ma'am.
on a plane of an estate, the distance of 110 meters is represented. Okay, that is okay. Okay, there are few more questions, children. A car can travel at average speed 65 kilometer per hour. Car is traveling. This is another question, children. A car is traveling 65 kilometers per hour. Per hour means 65 kilometer
Ma'am, this is
kmph.
indirect, right?
Yeah, no. You just listen the question. That's why I'm telling. A kilometer per hour. How much distance will it travel in 24 minutes? In 24
Ma'am,
minutes,
it's direct only, direct.
yes, in 24 minutes, how much distance it will travel? Distance in 24 minutes, the distance is equal to how much traveled by the car. You're supposed to find out, children. So what is given? You just observe, children. 65 kilometer per
Ma'am, it's
hour means
26 kilometers. 26 kilometers.
very good. It's a 1 hour 65 kilometers. And whereas in 24 minutes, they're asking children in 24 minutes how much? But 1 hour equal to how much? 60. Can I take a 6 minutes? 60 minutes? Yes. Yes or no, children? Shall I take as 60 minutes equal to 1 hour?
Yes, ma'am.
So that if I want to find out
Yes,
24
ma'am.
how much means 24 multiplied with the 65 divided with the 60. Come on, children. 12 2s are 12 5s are
560. Yes.
5 1s are 5 3s are
5 ones
13
are
to
5 13s are.
so how much
26.
distance it is? 26
I'm like
kilometers.
20, ma'am, it's 24 into ma'am 13 and 12, and then 1 by 2, and then 26, ma'am.
Yes, 26 kilometers it will travel in 24 minutes. This is one more indirect. Directly they won't give children. Sometimes they are always tricky questions only they will give. Direct questions everyone can solve. Some part of tricky is there means you
Ma'am,
can
like
think and do.
gross and all.
Yes,
Ma'am,
gross
can you
and
hear me now?
yes, I can hear you, Harshita. Yes, shall we go with one more example, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
By reading question only you can understand, children. 8 men or 6 women. 8 men or 6 women can earn rupees triplet. Can earn rupees triplet per day or per hour. You can take per hour. So our question is 12 men or 15 women can how much? 12 men or 16 women or else 8 men and 6 women you write, children, because if I'm taking some other meaning you will get. So okay, 8 men and 6 women together earning rupees triplet, and whereas if I am taking 12 men and 16 women, how much amount they are going to earn means whether it is direct proportion or indirect proportion. Please let me know first
Direct,
of all.
ma'am. Direct
Direct,
proportion.
ma'am,
Very,
direct.
very good.
Direct,
Because
ma'am.
if I'm adding a man quantity means more amount they're going to get, right, children? So that direct proportion.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
case,
If more men are
in
there,
this
more
case,
money we will get, and if less
yes,
money,
in
less
yes,
men.
in this case, case, you can take it as 8 men plus 6 women together. How many? What is the people, children? How many people? 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 12 persons or 12 people. I'm rewriting once again. 12 people
Ma'am,
can.
14, right?
Yes, 12. Sorry, it's 14. Very good.
1776.
Yes. 14 people can do the piece. Their
770.
rupees triplet. And I want find 12 plus 16, 24 and 28 people means how much? Very simple, children. Very, very simple. 14 twos are. Yes.
28, ma'am.
1776.
Ma'am,
So
it's
here
1000.
also shall I raise with the 2 times? Yes.
Yes, ma'am, 1776.
What is the answer, ma?
1000.
Ma'am, it's 1776.
Very good. Just a simple technique, children. No need of doing much part also here. By seeing only here 6 to 14 people together earning a rupees a triplet. You need to find 28 people how much their earnings. So that here 14 is raised 2 times. That means 28. It becomes 2 times. The same way in direct proportion, same ratio it is increasing. So that a triplet multiplied with the 2 is nothing but 1776 rupees can earn 12 men and 16 women together. Yes, hope it is clear. Inaya, are you there, ma? Inaya.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Yeah, any doubt, Inaya?
No, ma'am, not so far.
Yeah, please, children, if you have any queries, please share or else let me. If any fast I'm going, also please let me know so that I can go little slow also. Next. 15 men can dig a hole. 15 men can dig a hole of 3 by 4 meters, children. This is the same concept only. See, the questions are how the different ways your simplification part will occur. 15 men can dig a hole 3 by 4 meters long in one day. How many men will be required to dig 38 meters? If you want to dig 38 meters, how many men should be required? What we should do, Inaya, in this case? Yes. Is it direct proportion or indirect proportion, Bhavya, Nitya?
I'm direct.
Very good. It's direct proportion. 15 men are digging this much portion in day. 30, sorry, this one meters. This 38 meters can dig means how many people means obviously more people needed here. So how you supposed to do? Whatever known things here, you just multiply. And this part, you just convert them into mixed number to improper. So 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 is 16 plus 3 is 19 by 4 meters. So simple thing, children, 38 cross multiplication with 15 divide with 19 by 4. 19 by 4 division means reciprocal. It will happen if you go to numerator. 38 into 15 into 4 by 19. It's simple cancellation. 19 ones are 19 twos are 15
Ma'am,
8
it's
times.
120.
Very good, Nana. So 120 men is required to dig 38 meters of hole. Yes, any doubt here? These are the few applications of direct proportions. Right now we are going to indirect proportions. Indirect proportion. Very simple, children. In direct proportions, x by y equal to constant. 1 minute, children. Let me clear the part. Okay. So, what you know, direct proportions and the inverse proportions. You see, in direct proportions, we are just doing cross multiplication. That means inverse proportion, xy equal to constant, children. Here, x by y equal to constant. This is only the different part you have to remember. Rest, In direct proportions, we are doing cross multiplication. In inverse proportion, yes, we will go with many examples. Inverse proportion. Before going to teach, I want to give some clues to remember that part. Right, now we are going with indirect inverse. You want examples in the direct or inverse, ma?
Ma'am, inverse, ma'am, like how to do. You give an example,
Okay.
then we'll do next.
Yes. Inverse. Ridhima, are you there? Ridhima is there in Meet Children? Yes, inverse proportions. In inverse proportion, the questions are, will go with directly the question, children. 9 men can mow a field in 4 days. How many men? 9 men can mow a field in 9 days. Field in 9 days. Our question is, in how many days 6 men, in how many days 6 men, in how many days
Ma'am,
6 men can mow the field? Yes. Here 6 men they are using means, is it time period is increased or decreased, children?
Ma'am, increased.
Increased, but the quantity here you just see, if it is reduced, the persons are reduced means here the is increasing, the days are increasing. So it is what type of proportion? Inverse proportion.
Inverse
Very
proportion.
inverse proportion, more simple than direct. Just multiply 9 into 9. Whatever here you have to down part. This is 6. You have to divide, children. That's all you will get answer. Here 3 2s are 3 3s are. Again it's 9 3s are 27 by 2. Half of 27 is how much, children?
Ma'am,
Half of
13.5. Ma'am, 13.5.
13.5 days. 6 men can finish the work. Yes, children, you understand? 9 men can finish in 9 days. 6 men can finish in how many days? So obviously the days, because here manpower is decreased, so time taken to complete the task is taken more time. That's why it is 13.5 days it takes to complete the work. Yes, hope you understand, children. Any doubt here? Next question you see, children. Next question. There are groceries of 1200 men is provisioned for 60 days. How many men? 1200 men. It's another interesting question, children. 1200 men is provisioned for how many days? 60 days. What happened after this? After 15 days, how many days, children? After 15 days. After 15 days means you have to subtract. After 15 days, what happens? 300 men leave the 300 men leave the, just remove, that means how many men are there right now after 15 days? How many men are there?
900 men are there.
900 men, 900 people are there. After 15 days means how many days left with? 45 days. Yes or no, children? Now you can prepare your question. What is the question? How long will remaining provisions last? How long will the remaining provisions last means how are you supposed to do here?
45 by 900.
Very good, very good.
200 days.
45 into 1200, Nana. Why? Because you just see here. What you know here? 900. Initially, how many people are there, children? There are. What is the question? 1200 members provisioned for 60 days. After 15 days, 13 men, 300 men leave the. How long will the remaining provisions last? So after 15 days, the provisions would be last for 1200 men. That means for how many days are left? 45 days. Therefore, as 300 men are leave, number of remaining men in the work means only 900 people. Therefore, what you have to see here, remaining provisions last for 900 men for P days, only P days. You just think like that. Therefore, 900 into P, suppose if I'm taking 900 into P is equal to what happens, children? 1200 into 45. So if you want to find the value of P here, you just divide 900 with 1200 into 45 by 900. Cancel the zeros, you will get 3 3s are 3 4s are 12. So 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 5s are 15, 15 4s are 60 days, children. How long the provisions will? So 60, yes, the number of required days is 60 days. Like that you can, this is one more application part. There are many applications, children. We'll see step by step. A box of chocolates are divided among 36 students. So suppose the box of chocolates, we don't know how many are there. 36 people are dividing a box of chocolates was divided among 36 children. Here, each got 15 chocolates. Each got how many chocolates, children? 15 chocolates. Our question is, if same box of chocolates was divided among 27 children, if same box were divided among 27 children, how many each will get? That's our question. It's a general question, general sense of
20, ma'am,
question.
20 chocolates.
Because here strength is decreased. That means number of chocolates they will get is increased, right? So
Ma'am,
inverse
that's what's
proportion.
20.
Yeah, just multiply these two terms, 36 into 15 divide with the 27. So with 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 3 1s are 3 5s are 15, 4
Ma'am,
5s are
20
20. So each child will get how many chocolates? 20 chocolates. Right. Then this is a lively example. I'm giving my own. You can prepare your own questions like that, inverse proportion. Anyway, you know situations. What are the situations are happening for direct and indirect proportion? The another question here. A tailor had enough material to stitch 12 shirts. A tailor had enough material to stitch 12 shirts. Each will require 2.5 meter of cloth. Suppose there are enough material with the tailor to stitch 12 shirts. Each shirt requires how much? 2.5 meters of cloth. If he makes shirts of smaller sizes using 2 meters cloth, for each shirt, to find how many shirts he can stitch with the same material. See, children. Yeah, 12 shirts. 12 shirts. Each shirt is 2.5 meters.
15, ma'am, 15 shirts. 15 shirts.
Very good. If he is using 2 meters of each shirt, smaller sizes shirts, how many shirts he can stitch with the same material? As one of my students
Ma'am,
gave
it's
correct.
2.5 into 12 by 2, ma'am.
Very good. 2.5 into 12 by 2.
Ma'am, we
2.5
know
can.
that 25 into 12 is 300. So 2.5 means 30 by 2, 15.
Very good. 6. 6 means this is 25 by, or 2.5 means 25 by 10 into 6, or else you can directly see here 5 times 2 times 3 is so 5 1s are 5 5s are 5 3s are 15 shirts of smaller sizes he can stitch with the same material. If bigger size shirts means he is getting only 12 shirts, but the condition is given he is stitched 2 meters of small size shirts. How many shirts he can stitch means he can stitch with 15 shirts, right? 15 shirts. Any doubt
Ma'am,
here,
I just
children?
have a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
It only
Where you
5
have
and
doubt, Nana?
5 and 2 are left, ma'am. So it will be 10.
Decimals. Who is Nitya? Nitya. Nitya is asking doubt here. Nitya, am I audible to you, Nitya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Any doubt, ma here? 12 shirts he is preparing. Each shirt requires 2.5 meters, Nana. But with the same material, so he is stitching smaller size shirts.
Yes, ma'am.
Each,
Got it, ma'am. I thought it is
each shirt
1.5.
requires 2 meters. And how many shirts he can do? He can stitch with that material. So what you supposed to, this is direct proportion. You can multiply 2 point. This you can even write with mixed form also. Nana. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 by 2 divide with the 2 also. If you have any doubt, you can cancel 2 2s are decimals. If you are facing difficulties, even you go with fractions too, children. 4 3s are 5 3s are 15 shirts. He can stitch with the material. 15 smaller size shirts. Hope it is clear, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am, I forgot. I did it. I got 15, but I forgot that there was decimal.
Sometimes if you face difficulties in decimal, go with fractions also, Nana. Because fraction way is also sometimes makes your calculation simple. Sometimes the decimal makes your calculation simple. You need to think which one is utilizing so that our calculation part become more faster and we can do more speed with the calculation. Next question is a similar type but it is little tricky, not that much tricky. It's a little tricky one. A motor car travels 3.5 hours and average speed 25 kilometer per hour. A car is traveling 25 kilometer per hour. kmph means kilometer per hour. Suppose if the car is traveling 3.5 hours average. Car is traveling how many hours, children? 3.5 hours. How long would it take the distance of speed 42 kilometer per hour? So if the 42 kilometer per hour speed, if it is car is going, how much time is taking? Then how long it will take means time.
Less time, ma'am.
Less time. Very good.
Inverse
It's a
proportion.
very good.
Inverse proportion.
Very good, Nana. So that you just multiply 3 1 by 2 25 by 42 kmph. You just mixed fraction 3
hours.
2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7 by 2. 7 by 2 denominator already 42 is there. 7 1s are 7 6 are 45. So this is 25 by 12. 25 by 12 is how much? What more?
Ma'am, will come by 2.2 like that, ma'am. Decimals will come 2.2 like that.
Yes, ma. 2 1 by 2. 2 point, or else if you want to write in decimals also you can write 1 by 2 hours. It will, if it is going 42 kilometer speed, it will complete the distance in 1 by 2 hours. Yes, children, hope you understand the part. Any doubt here?
Yes,
Whether
ma'am.
direct proportion or indirect proportion, you have to check carefully while reading the question. Once if it is indirect proportion, anyway, we know the procedure, you can go ahead, children. There is another lively application here. A tap is filling. There are few questions regarding to tap. A tap fills a tank in 12 minutes, children. A tap fills tank in 12 minutes. 12 minutes. If it fills at the rate of 90 liters per minute, if it fills the, if it fills 90 liters per minute, 90 liters per minute, if it fills, in how much time will it fill with the tank? If 140 liters per minute, if it is filling like that, how much time will be taken? That is the question, children. The tap is filling the tank in 12 minutes. A tap fills the tank in 12 minutes if it fills with 90 liter per minute.
Minutes left.
Suppose if it fills with 140 liters per minute, how long it will take? Very good, very good. Indirect proportion only, children, because more liters are filling means takes less time, right, children? So that what you have to 12 into minutes, everything is minutes. So directly you can multiply by 140. So cut 0, 0. Here, which table you can use, children? 2 6 are 2 7s are. So 7 6 are how much, Nana? 6 7s are 54 by 7. 54 by 7 means, yes. How much
Ma'am,
time
it is
it takes?
7.7.
Or else mixed number. 7 sevens are 49. 5 by 7. 7 5 by 7. What minutes?
Ma'am, I did in decimal and put 7.7 minutes.
Yes, you can write. Even decimals are given, you can write in decimal. If fraction form is given, you can go with fractions too, children. But don't make mistakes when you are writing decimals. Yes, next. There are many questions regarding to like that, children. We will go with a few more questions. A factory requires 126 machines to produce a given number of articles in 18 days. So how many machines, how many articles, how many days? That is the question, children, here.
Articles in
Yeah.
18 days.
So 126 machines, 126 machines in how many days? 18 days, children. In 18 days. So our question is, how many machines will be required to produce the same number of things in 42 days? In 42 days, how many number of machines are required to produce the same number of? Yeah, here days are
18
increasing
by
means machines are decreasing, right, children? So that you just go with 126 into 18 by 42.
56.
Right, Nana?
54.
42 ones are 42 threes are 18 threes are 54. 54 machines are needed to make the articles of same kind of articles in 42 days.
Yes, ma'am, 54.
Right, children. These are a few examples. Not only this, we have come from some other examples from time and work and time and distance too. We will see that part of questions also, children. A man can do a piece of work in 2 days. This is a very interesting question. Or else you can take names like A, B. A can do a piece of work. A can do a piece of work. A piece of work in 2 days.
Yes, ma'am.
Here and B can do in B can do it in 3 days. B can do it in 3 days. How long will it take to finish it if they work together? If they work together,
Oh, sorry. Sorry, ma'am. It's not 60.
how long it will take, children? They will, if they're
Ma'am,
working together.
ma'am, we can take A and B's 1 day's work, ma'am.
Very good, very good, very good, Nana. A and B is 1 day work.
Yes, ma'am, that's
Suppose
what
A,
I'm doing.
Yes, ma'am.
very good. So what is A's 1 day work, Nana?
1/2 parts, ma'am.
Ma'am,
And
it's 6 days, ma'am. 5 by 6 days, is it right?
very good. 5 by 6. Together
Yes.
they are doing 1 day. 5 by 6 to complete work.
Ma'am,
Yes. Complete work in how many days they will do?
5
No,
by
no. But they are together doing this much. Together they are doing in. So the 6 by 5 means 5 ones are
Yes,
5.
ma'am, we should take the reciprocal.
Reciprocal, very good. We
One,
can
one.
take reciprocal.
Yes, ma'am. 1 by 5.
1 by 5. The required number of days to complete the work together is 1 by 5 days. Yes, children. This is another application part. In the same way, 15 workers can do 25 days a job and working 8 hours per day. They are working 8 hours per day. So 15 workers can do job in 25 days. In how many days can the work will be completed by 20 persons working 6 hours? There are few more questions like this, children. We will go with this part too so that you can understand more easily. The question is 15 workers are there. They're working per day. How many hours, children? 8 hours per day. 8 hours per day. 8 hours per day. Yes. And how many days they will complete the task, children? They will complete in 25 days.
Ma'am, once can you show last question? No, ma'am, sorry, nothing, ma'am.
No, 15 workers. If they are working 8 hours per day, they will complete in 25 days. My question is, in how many days, if they work 6 hours per day, 6 hours per day, 6 hours per day, and the number of workers here is 20 persons, 20 workers. How many days they will finish if they work like 6 hours per day? So what we should do here? Yes, is it any interesting question, children? You just say how you're supposed to do here. Yes, how you supposed to 15 workers, 8 hours and 25 days they are finishing. Whereas 20 workers, 6 days. How
Ma'am, that's
much?
what I
Yes.
wanted. Ma'am, that's what I thought.
Yeah, please continue, children. The same part, what is given in previous, same part here we are doing. So 5 3s are 5 4s are 20, 4 1s are 4 5s are 25. So here what you will get, the rest of the part as given as 3 1s are 3 2s are denominators, nothing is there. 3 2s are 6 and 2 1s are 4 5s are
Ma'am, 20.
20 days. Very good, children. 4 5s are 20 days. They can complete the work in 20 days or 25 days, children. Is it correct what we are doing? I'm getting 25. Here we are getting 20. Let me check, children, where we did mistake. Children, I think a 25 you will get. I'm not sure where we are doing mistake here. 25 into 15 divide with the 20.
Ma'am, it's 25 days,
Very
ma'am.
good.
25.
Yes, ma'am,
Ma'am,
25.
it's
Very
25
good.
days.
Can you please help our students how they're, yeah, please.
Ma'am, 15 into, ma'am, first 15 and
15% in 25 days means 20 workers in how many days, right?
So
Yes, yeah.
ma'am,
How you are
15
getting
into 8 into 25 by 20 into 6.
15 into
8 into
8 into
25
25 by 20 into 6.
same thing only we did, right, ma?
Yes, ma'am, but I think you did wrong, ma'am. We have to first simplify 20, ma'am, then 4,
20 and 25
5, and then
4 and
15,
5.
3.
And then you
Yes,
can
ma.
even
You can
simplify
simplify anything because 4 times
4,
if I'm taking.
ma'am, and there 3, ma'am, and then 4, 1, and then
Yes,
8 is
this
2.
incident, right. Now you are correct. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So 4 2s are 8, 8 will cancel. 25. Right, Nana, right. Before I did some calculation mistake. But procedure is same, right? Right, children.
Ma'am, a small quiz, ma'am, now.
Okay, it's 8. Okay. And there is one train sum is there, Nana. We will finish that train sum, then we will go with the quiz. Surely I will help you.
Okay, ma'am.
A train 120 meters long. Yeah, this is also one important application part of inverse proportion. A train length is 120 meters, Nana. train length is 120 meters and it takes 6 seconds. Time taken by train is 6 seconds to cross the pole or telegraph it is given. So find the speed of train. Speed of train in kilometer per hour in kmph. You're supposed to find the speed of train in Find the speed of train in
Ma'am, 20
kmph.
kilometer per hour, 20 kilometer.
Yes, you are telling about 120 by 60. So
Yes, ma'am.
620,
Yes, ma'am.
20 meters per second you are getting. I want kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour means I
200
should multiply with the 3 points, Nana. If you multiply with 3.6, what you the processor children 1 meter, if you convert into kilometers, meters means what you're supposed to do, you just multiply with, just
Ma'am,
divide with,
it's 72, ma'am.
very good. 22 kmph.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. How we got 3.6?
There is a little big process is there, children. Instead of doing that complete procedure, it is very easy task to remember. If you remember, if you want the kilometer per second, how to convert means you just multiply with 3.6. How means we have a lot of procedure. Here 1 minute, if you convert into hours means how you will get children.
Ma'am,
What
it's
you
like
should,
3,600, ma'am, seconds.
very good. 3,600
Ma'am,
divide
so
with
16 is,
divide with 1000. So what you will get, it's a 3.6 you will get, children, because the time 6 6 are 36, 60 into 60 you should multiply, and here meters to kilometers you should divide with 1000, so you will get 3.6 kmph. If just multiply with the 3.6, children, the procedure no need for you. You just multiply with the 3.6 meters to second. If you want to convert into kilometer per hour means you just write that note point also, because if you do the procedure wise means it takes a lot of time, children. It takes a lot of time. Calculation part becomes more. You just go with the simple procedure. You just multiply 3.6, you will get kilometer per hour. They will give meters per second, no issue, no issue. Whatever you are getting, same thing you can write. But here they're asking answer in kmph, kilometers per hour.
yes, ma'am.
And another question, a train having a length 325 meters and the train should be cross the bridge, children. Bridge length and train length is given. Length of train is given here. Length of train is 325 meters. And the length of train, this is length of train, children. Same way bridge length is given. The train should be cross the bridge. 775 meters is given. Here the question is, if speed of train is 55 kmph, speed of train means speed is 55 kmph is given. That means 1 yeah, you know, 1 kmph 16, yes, kmph. How long will it take to cross the bridge? How long will it take to cross the bridge?
Ma'am,
One
20
condition.
seconds. Ma'am, 20 seconds.
Yes, how you will get, I want.
Ma'am, like 325 plus 775. Ma'am, so
Why
it's
you are adding? Because why you are
ma'am,
adding
total
the
distance. Ma'am, total distance.
oh, yes, yes, that is bridge length means if you train want to cross the bridge means the complete
The train should cross, so it will take some time. Ma'am, so we have to
yeah.
add both the distance. Ma'am,
Oh.
so ma'am, speed, we know the formula speed is equal to distance by time. Ma'am, so 55 is equal to 1100 by x, ma'am. So it will be 1100 by 55, which is 20 seconds.
Here only you can convert into kilometers, Nana, because here speed is given in kilometer per hour. You just convert these meters to
1.1
kilometers. Very good, 1.1 kilometer. Now you can do. Now you can find the how much time will take by train to cross the bridge. Come on, children,
Ma'am,
please.
it's 20 seconds, right?
Very good. You are absolutely correct.
Ma'am, I said
No,
this.
the train. No. What your answer? What you're getting answer? No, it's not the 20 seconds. So sorry. So sorry. It's
It
not
is
20.
1.1 by.
Very good. One student correct. 1.2
Ma'am, it's
minute. 1.2 minute means 1 minute, and 0.2 if you convert means 2 by 10 into 60. If you convert into 6 ones are 6 2 6 twos are 12. This is 12 seconds. Very good, Ma. Who said that answer, please? 1.2. Who got? Yes,
Ma'am,
who
I
got
told ma'am.
1.2? Yeah, Harshita, how you did? How you did, please? Tell Harshita how you did.
Ma'am, one. Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
it's not
please.
Harshita, ma'am, it's Nitya who did it.
Nitya said, Harshita said, who said answer 1.2?
Harshita, ma'am.
Harshita, please help me. Yeah. Anyway, you please help others to how you did here. Yes, come on, make it fast, children, so that we can go with quiz part. Shall I give or else?
Here you got to do 1.1 by 55.
Hmm.
Ma'am, we divided it with 1,000.
Very good.
I mean,
Very good.
100.
That means 60 minutes. So 60 by 55. Why we can take as a 60 by 55 here? 1 kilometer covered by train is how many minutes, children? 1 kilometer is covered by the train in how many minutes? Because the speed is given 60 seconds. Sorry, 60 minutes, it is going to 55 kilometers, right? In
Yes, ma'am. So 1 kilometer.
the distance. 1 kilometer means how much, children? 1 kilometer means you will get it as a how much time? 1 kilometer means 60 by 55, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
60 by 55 minutes. So, but our question is to cover 1.1 kilometer means just
1.09
you
minutes.
just multiply with 1.1, children, so that you will get answer as 11 6 are 66 by 55. So you can
1.09.
cancel 5 times 1.2, you will get 1.2. This is a 1 minute.
1.09.
No, 12 seconds. 0 to 0.2 means how much, children? 2 by 10 into 10 means here 0.2 seconds means you have to take it as what you should take, children, here. 0.2 minutes means how many seconds, children? 0.2 minutes means how many seconds? 6 2s are 12. 12 seconds. So that
Ma'am, here 65 is 1.09
Ma'am, can you
minutes.
explain this problem once again?
okay, 1 minute, children. I'll
1.1
clear
is
complete clear. Children, first train is there. Train length is given. What is train length is given, children, here? What is train length is given? 325 meters. This is about a train. And the bridge length is given. Bridge length is given 775 meters. If this train cross the bridge means how much distance it will travel? Complete bridge and end point only reaches out means then only we can say that the train is.
Ma'am, here I have a doubt. 60 into 55. 60 into 55 is 1.09. So 1.09 into 1.1 is 1.199.
No, this
Sir,
still
how
here
to
you,
give
it
it
is clear. Yes, I will help you. Just a minute, I will help you. I'll help you. Please mute your mic. But another condition is given. What is the condition? 1 kilometer is covered with how many? 1 kilometer of distance will be covered in how many minutes? 1 kilometer of distance will be covered in how many minutes? 60 by 50. 60 by 55 minutes. Why? Because 55 kilometers it will travel in 60 minutes. So 1 kilometer will be traveled in 60 by 50.
1.09 minutes.
Directly just multiply these two things, you will get how much time required. 60 by 55 into 1.1. So 1.1, just this, if you multiply with this 0 and a point should be removed, children, so that 11 6 are 65 by 55 you will get. Here 6 times 5 times. So this is nothing but 1.2 minutes. This is one way of writing, but in an examination there is no in minutes. They are given answer in 1 minute 12 seconds is given. How? That is my point. So here point 1 minute is one before whole part is minutes. After point we have decimal places. Yeah, 0.2 minutes means 0.2 minutes means how you supposed to write,
2 by 10.
children?
2 by 10.
2 by 10 minute means seconds. If you want to convert, how much you should multiply? You should multiply with 60. Yes,
Ma'am, like
10.
I didn't understand, ma'am. Why should we multiply 60 by
12.
50?
For making
No, because in the this is only correct, but in your options it is given. But if this option is not given in your tab, 4 options only, option is given 1 minute 12 seconds. Then how you supposed to do? You can just point to multiply with the 60, children, so that you will get 12 seconds. 12 seconds. So 1 minute 12 seconds time it takes to cross the bridge. That's all, children. That's all for the day, children. You just go with a small quiz right now. I'll share the link, children. I have some other class right now. I'll share link with you so that you can play. Later I'll post your result.
okay, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No,
Doubt in
ma'am. No.
today's? Thank you, sir. Divyesh? Divyesh is there, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Divyesh, any doubts in direct proportion and indirect proportion, Divyesh?
No, ma'am.
Simple. Yeah. If you have any doubts, please let me know, Divyesh.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you give
What, ma? Please.
a quiz
Then
with
are you there?
10 questions, ma'am?
Which? What? Ma?
Ma'am, a quiz with 10 questions.
Okay. Only 10 questions. A few small quiz I will give, children. Don't worry. Don't, because it's already time is over. I know that you are working from morning, children. I won't take much of your time. I'll just take only 5 to 10 questions for your practice, because many things we discussed, maybe how much you are going to remember in your mind, I'm not sure. Please go with one small quiz so that you can definitely help say inverse proportion.
Ma'am, did you share the
10
link?
questions. Yes, children, 10 questions enough, right? 10 questions. Shall we go with only 10 questions?
Yes.
Ma'am, 10 or 15.
Only 10 questions, children. I won't, because you are taking 1 hour class and continuously it takes at least 15 to 20 minutes to do. So that I will share only 10 questions with you. Where is the students list chart box? Yeah, I'm sharing, children. Control V. Join, children. Please join quickly. Yes. Sibyl, you got link?
Yes.
Please join too. Manideep,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm giving host controls to you, Manideep. Once after quiz is done, you just end at meet, ma.
Okay,
Because
ma'am.